The Hover-1 i100 electric scooter offers a smooth and fast riding experience with its powerful dual motors, allowing you to reach speeds of up to 7 miles per hour, even on a 10-degree incline. Its built-in Bluetooth speaker enhances your ride by allowing you to listen to music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly from your smartphone, making every journey more enjoyable. With a self-balancing design, this scooter provides excellent stability and control, making it ideal for beginners and young adults learning to ride. The scooter features a reliable 25.2-volt, 4.0 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery that enables you to travel up to 6 miles on a single full charge, which takes approximately 5 hours. Safety is a priority with the Hover-1 i100, as it meets necessary safety standards and includes features like speed alerts and LED lights for added visibility. This versatile scooter can be customized with additional accessories, such as a buggy attachment or safety gear, making it a perfect gift for special occasions.